I'm sure our dominant paddlers later in the start list will show us those clean runs and smooth lines. Jakub Brzeziński from Poland is in good company with Mateusz Pilatczyk and Dariusz Popiela, both long-term competitors of the sport. Polish paddlers are usually very good at necking the ups. Brzeziński is struggling a little bit out there today, but honestly, this course is so challenging, so consistently technical and difficult. Once you make one mistake, it's very hard to get back online and pull it together.